Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lee here, and today we are back with another Ipsy review. Today I have the April Ipsy bag and we're going to go through it and see what fun goodies we have. Before I start trying on the makeup, I'm going to show you each project and we will see what I got this month. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go through my bag quickly. The first thing that I picked up just now is this Naked Cosmetics. So I believe these are all loose pigment eyeshadows, but I'm not quite sure. But this is one thing that I got this month. I got this Ofra lip gloss in Golden Rose. Look, that looks so pretty. I've never had an Ofra lip gloss, I don't know. Oh, I got this Lauren Conrad lipstick, which I'm really excited to try. I didn't even know she had her own makeup brand. This Kay Voss highlighter palette. And this Belle and Argent Nude Intuitive Vision eyeshadow palette. Of course, I always choose some add-ons. So for this bag, I got a little Tatcha water cream. I've heard really good things about this. I'm not going to try it in this video just because I already have face makeup on, but it smells delish. I love water creams. They feel so hydrating and nice on the face. And I got this beauty blender, okay, $3 from this brand, Kokie. And since I already have my face makeup on, I didn't have any face products in this bag. I tried this out. This sounds dramatic, but I need like 100 more. They are so soft and squishy. This is the best beauty blender I've had in so long. For $3, I would take 100 more. Not even kidding. I have to go on their website now and try to find them. Again, it even says it on the beauty blender. Kokie. So cute. Love it. But enough of me talking. Without further ado, let's just try the makeup. All right, guys, I just clipped my hair up quickly because I want to try this highlighter palette from Kay Voss. Let's see what it looks like. A black shiny component, luminous highlighter palette. So we have 3 highlighter shades here. I will swatch them. This is the lightest shade, the rosy shade, and the dark bronzy shade. They feel really nice. I feel like I'm probably gonna go for that middle shade right now just because that's a like rose goldy shade that I tend to gravitate towards too. I haven't worn highlighter in so long. My face has just had so much texture recently that I just haven't worn any highlighters because I feel like that'll bring out texture and I don't want that to happen, so I just haven't been wearing any. This is pretty. It's a very nice rose gold highlights. It's a cute palette and they all felt pretty nice. So I think that we just have to move right along to our eyeshadow palette. So our eyeshadow palette is Belle and Argent Nude Intuitive Vision eyeshadow palette. I think if I remember correctly, it's like a lot of just like nudes. The packaging is pretty. There I am. This is what the palette looks like in the inside. Nice little neutral palette, definitely an on-the-go look, which we really have no choice but to do. Oh, this is a cute little seal. Look at the seal. It has like a little eye on it. I almost don't want to take that off. I'm not going to take it off. It's like one of the peels in the mirror, but I think it's cute. But that's not the only eyeshadow product that we have. We have this Naked, the loose pigments, I think. I don't know. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 loose pigments. They're all together right now just because there's plastic, but let's take that plastic off. They look like this. I don't know how I feel about loose pigments. I feel like they can get pretty messy, but on the other hand, a lot of the times they leave a really nice solid color, so we shall see. So we have Sierra Nevada 2, Sierra Nevada 4, Sierra Nevada 5, and then Naturally Nude 1. So I don't know. I don't think I've used Naked Cosmetics in a really long time. Like probably when I first started makeup when I was like in middle school, I had some Naked products and the loose pigments. And ever since then, I don't think I've ever really tried that. I'm just going to prime my eyes, and like I've talked about in my other videos, I have to use my P. Louise. I mean, it's just the best. I'm going to blend this out because this P. Louise is thick. And then I'll be right back so we can try all the eyeshadow. Okay, so I got that all blended out, and now I'm going to start with our actual palettes, and just do a quick little look. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I don't know, it's just like a light, ooh, it's just like a milky chocolate, honestly, and I'm just going to do what I always do. I'll use the mirror in this palette and kind of just take it and swish it in and out of the crease. Okay, so I have this like brown, like this chocolate brown shade on, and honestly, I think just the next thing I'm going to do is go in with the darkest brown, like the dark chocolate. In the palette, it's a very cool tone, so I'm a little bit nervous, and I'm just gonna kind of put that in the corner of the eye, like dab it in. Not in the crease, but just in the corner to give my eye a little bit more dimension, and then obviously blend. I will say the eyeshadow has pretty good pigment. I didn't really think that it was going to be that dark when I put it onto my eye. I feel like this is like a standard on-the-go palette. Like, especially if you're more of a beginner of makeup, I feel like this is something that people would really like. Now, let's take one of our loose pigments. Probably one of these. Let's open them both up. There's not even like a little filter or anything. Like, it's like completely loose pigment. Like, how should I go about this? I'm gonna open up the two and then show you guys. They're extremely similar. This one's a little bit lighter, and that's what I'm gonna go for. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit in the cap, that much, and put it on my finger and put it into the inner corner. They're super pretty. Wow. Like, I'm going to a wedding next week, and I feel like I would definitely use this loose pigment. It's giving me wedding vibes. Why don't we take a brush now and dip it in, because I want to put some on the inner corner. Into the brow bone. It gives a nice little sheen, but it's not like overpowering. The loose pigments. I can open up the other ones and show you guys what they look like. The darkest one, it's like a super dark, like chocolatey. Oh, and this one's more of like a cool tone brown with like a lot of sparkles in it. They're definitely cute. I feel like they're very old school Naked Cosmetic. Very on brand for them. Let's take this chocolatey shade that I didn't use yet, this little cool tone chocolate shade, and put it underneath. Cute. Now I want to pop on just some mascara. I didn't get any mascara in this month's bag, but would always love to put some on. Okay, so I just went ahead and I popped on some mascara because I didn't have any here. And then I believe our last two products to try are both lip products. We have the Lauren Conrad lipstick and the Ofra lip gloss. We're going to use both of them. And let's look more at this Lauren Conrad. The packaging is like very like grainy. Color is Shell. It says usage: swipe across lips, wear alone, or pair with the lip gloss. Reapply as needed. So maybe she has like a lip gloss that goes with it. And then it says a perfect pout. Get smooth, full coverage matte color that's non-feathering and completely comfortable. Non-feathering. Feel good about it. It's infused with argan oil, mango seed butter, and shea butter. And it's dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, recyclable. Wow, you go, girl. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, cute. Little nude color, very Lauren Conrad. It says Lauren Conrad at the bottom. And let's look at the shade. So this is the shade. Let's get our mirror back up because we're going to have to swipe it on the lips. It might just be the color. I don't love the color for me. It's a little bit more pinky than I had imagined. I thought it was going to be more on like the nude side. I don't know. Maybe it is nude. It's not horrible. It's just not something that I think I would be like, oh, need that lip shade. It's comfortable on the lips. Feels really, really light and kind of moisturizing. It has that argan oil, mango seed butter, and the shea butter. So I like that. It's probably not going to make my lips feel like very dry. But let's try this Ofra gloss over top. I think this color will look nice over it. So the color is Golden Rose, and it's a lip gloss. Looks like this in the packaging. I love Ofra. I just love their packaging. Let's give it a dunk. Pretty. How comfortable. The color's pretty. I feel like I would like this a lot on its own. love the gloss. The gloss is so light and so glossy. Like, it's just moisturizing, light, glossy. I actually like how it looks with the lip color. Again, I probably wouldn't wear this lip color on a normal basis. I don't really wear lipstick these days anyway, just a gloss and I'm out of the house. I think it's pretty. I would definitely use this again. It's so, I don't even know I have gloss on. It's not sticky whatsoever. And that's like my number one critique for glosses. If it's sticky, like I just can't wear it. 8+. I think that was the last product that I had in my bag besides the water cream that I didn't try. But yeah. Now I'll just give you my final thoughts. So I wouldn't necessarily say we had any misses in this bag. I felt like it went by really quick trying everything, but that's probably because there just wasn't any like really face products besides the highlighter. So let's start there. The Kay Voss highlighter palette. I liked it. I thought it was cute. Again, kind of like I said about the eyeshadow palette, I feel like really good for a beginner. You can take them on the go. Like I said, I haven't been really wearing highlighters, but I thought it was pretty and I liked that there was a shade for pretty much every single skin tone. There was a darker shade, a medium shade, and then a lighter shade. So I really liked that about this highlighter palette. The eyeshadow palette, I kind of gave you my thoughts earlier, but I think it was great that it's just a very natural color, a great starter palettes for people who are kind of just getting their toes wet with makeup and stuff. So yeah, the colors blended nicely. I don't really have any complaints about that. As for the Naked Cosmetics little loose pigment eyeshadows, I thought they were really pretty. I thought they were cute. I only used one, but I showed you guys the other ones. My only thing about them is that I do like have some glitter, like chunks of glitter falling on my face. That's fine. I usually do my eyeshadow first. Just for this video, I didn't, so I would just wipe that off. I don't know if it'll fall down throughout the day. Probably, I don't know, it depends. But I really did like these, and I can see myself using them if I have like a special event where I want to add a little bit more of that glam look to my makeup. Let's talk about Lauren Conrad's lipstick. So I think the only reason it was just I don't even want to say it was a miss, because I wouldn't say it's a total miss, because as I'm looking at it now, I actually kind of like the color. I think the gloss helped, but it's just not a shade that I would normally wear. It felt great. It was easy to apply. I really liked the packaging and everything, that it was dermatologist approved, that it had all of those moisturizing components to it. I liked it. So I'm not going to say it's a miss. Maybe I can try another color. Maybe I can explore her makeup line a little bit more. I don't know. Let me know if that's something you guys would want to see. Last but not least, the Ofra gloss in Golden Rose. I love it. I thought it was great. So comfortable. Can't feel it at all on my lips right now. And I love the color. It has like a perfect amount of sparkle and shine to it at the same time. I really liked it. And of course, I talked about this in the beginning, this beauty sponge from Kokie, Kokie. I loved it. I want more, so I'm gonna go find their website and see if I can get more. I hope they're $3, because that's what I paid for this one, and I don't really want to pay more for a sponge. I really don't like spending a lot of money on beauty sponges. I like to find ones that are really good and cheap, because I don't want to spend like $25 for a beauty blender. It's just something that, I don't know. If I can get a better or the same one for the same amount of money, I've been on the hunt for a while, and this one's like really feels exactly like a beauty blender. So those are my final thoughts. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Like always, if you could please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It means so much to me and my channel. I only hope to grow more from here. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.